Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Daily. Today, you will learn useful daily English sentences with simple examples. Let's begin. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Have a great day. Thank you, you too. What are you doing? I am studying English. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. Thank you very much. You are welcome. Where are you going? I'm going to school. What time is it? It is 3 o'clock. I am hungry. Let's have lunch. I am thirsty. Can I have some water? That sounds great. Let's do it. I agree with you. I think so too. I am busy right now. I will call you later. Please call me later. Sure, I will. I understand. That's good. I don't understand. Can you explain it again? That's a good idea. Let's try it. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. I will try my best. I believe in you. I believe in myself. I can do it. I am ready. Let's get started. Please wait a moment. I will be back soon. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care. You too. What do you think? I think it's great. That's interesting. Tell me more. I like this idea. It sounds useful. I am excited. This is amazing. This is wonderful. I really like it. I need some help. How can I help you? Can you explain it? Of course, I can. I am learning every day. Practice makes perfect. Never give up. Keep moving forward. Today is my lucky day. I feel very happy. I feel happy today. That's wonderful. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate it. See you in the next lesson. See you soon. Excellent work. You have learned many useful English sentences today. Practice them every day. The more you practice, the better your English will become. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video. Goodbye.